I'm going to show you how to run a report that includes camera snapshots using the Boring Toolbox. So the first thing you want to do is obviously log into your Boring Toolbox and then go to Reports. Super easy. Go up here, click Create Report. From there, you're going to name it. We're going to name this Camera Snapshot. From there, you're going to choose your cadence, whether you want to schedule it for daily, weekly, monthly. You can also run now, which is what I'm going to choose. And then you can specify if you want it to come from all recording servers or a specific one, also device groups. You can add other filters, but the most important one that you want to include is make sure that you have camera snapshot toggled on. From there, you want to choose your delivery method, download now, email, output to a specific file. You can also have your Boring Toolbox hooked up to your Slack or Teams integration, and then get your report directly to Slack or Teams. Right now I'm just going to choose download. I'm going to hit create report. You can track the status by clicking this button. It'll open up all the other reports that you've generated. And you can choose to download. So I'm just going to open up the report and then we can scroll over. Here we can see our screen captures, and this will give us a good idea of if we have any weird glares that are happening, maybe because it's nighttime, or if there's a spider web on the lens, needs to be cleaned. It'll allow us to be more proactive about making sure that our video is clean and crisp and will always be reliable when we need it. Thanks for watching.